Welcome home to 5507 Remmell Avenue. This spectacular home is larger than it looks from the outside, and it sits on a large, oversized lot. The backyard is a perfect place to relax on those warm summer days. Plus, it's the perfect place to host family and friends. The sellers have lovingly made upgrades and improvements to this home to make it an amazing place that you can move right into. It's showcase ready. When you walk in the front door, you walk into this enclosed sunroom. A great four-season space that you can enjoy a morning cup of coffee or relax in the evening with an adult beverage. The large enclosed sunroom is a great place to relax and revive while the sun is streaming in throughout the day. The foyer is a great open space that will welcome you into the home with its beautiful hardwoods. The living room and the dining room are both open and spacious, and you'll quickly see that this is a showcase home perfect for you and your loved ones. The kitchen is a large open space with 12-inch ceramic tile flooring and plenty of space for working. It's a great place to cook and entertain with family and friends. The tall cabinets, the updated appliances, the large counter space make this gourmet kitchen a space that most cooks would love to have. The home is supplied by natural gas for the heat and for the cooking stove. This can be a huge bonus for most buyers. With 3 oversized bedrooms and the possibility of a 4th bedroom, and 2 full baths and 1 half bath, this is a stunning home. Plus, the home also has central air throughout the whole home. The basement is finished and has a half bath with egress out, so it could be used as an additional bedroom, or it can make a wonderful man cave, family room, or workout area. Go to www.5507remmell.com and learn more about this spectacular home. This single family home that is close and within walking distance to almost anything that you might want or need. The yard is spacious and private with a huge shade tree to keep things cool on those extra warm days. Contact your professional realtor right away to schedule a time to see the inside of this beautiful home. Stop on by.